Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to pamper your skin while you sleep, the TATCHA Indigo Overnight Repair. This fragrance-free face cream and serum treatment claims to soothe irritation and replenish sensitive skin overnight. Let's take a closer look at what it really has to offer. The TATCHA Indigo Overnight Repair comes in a 1.7-ounce jar and is specially formulated for sensitive skin. It combines the calming properties of Japanese indigo and red sage root to address issues like redness, dry patches, and irritation that can be triggered by environmental stress and pollution. Along with these two-star ingredients, it contains hyaluronic acid for hydration and ceramides to help strengthen the skin's natural barrier. The product is fragrance-free, making it a suitable choice for those with sensitivities to scents. When I first tried this cream, I was curious about its real-world performance, especially since it's targeted at sensitive skin. The texture is rich, yet surprisingly lightweight, sinking into the skin without any greasy residue. After a long day, it felt refreshing to apply, and my skin didn't feel heavy or overloaded. Over the course of a few nights, I noticed my skin felt more hydrated, and the dry patches I'd been struggling with began to improve. However, it didn't completely erase the redness on my cheeks as promised, but the overall calming effect was still visible. Now let's break down the pros and cons of the TATCHA Indigo Overnight Repair. On the plus side, it offers deep hydration, which was noticeable immediately upon application. The formula is also gentle, which is great for sensitive skin. If you're looking for something that helps your skin feel nourished overnight without any irritation, this is a solid choice. However, the price is on the higher side, and the results weren't as dramatic as I had hoped, particularly when it comes to reducing redness. So, while it's a great moisturizer, it might not work miracles for those seeking quick fixes for severe irritation. Is this review useful to you? If it is, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other skincare lovers can discover this video too. When it comes to value for money, this product does come with a premium price tag. While it offers excellent hydration and a gentle formula, you're paying for the brand's reputation and the luxe ingredients. If you're okay with the price for that kind of skincare experience, it might be worth it for you. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still offers hydration, there are alternatives on the market that might serve you just as well. In comparison to other products in this category, the TATCHA Indigo Overnight Repair stands out for its high-end ingredients like Japanese indigo and red sage root. However, some similar products may offer comparable benefits at a lower cost, making this a bit of a splurge for those who want the prestige of TATCHA's brand. The build quality of the jar is solid and feels luxurious, but I do wish the packaging was more eco-friendly, considering the brand's overall luxurious vibe. The ingredients list does show a commitment to calming and repairing sensitive skin, which I truly appreciated. But in terms of longevity, I didn't see significant improvements in terms of a redness reduction or long-lasting results over time. In terms of customer support, I didn't need to contact TATCHA directly, but the brand has a reputation for responsive and helpful service, so I imagine that if any issues arise, they'd be prompt in assisting. If you're after a soothing, moisturizing night cream that targets sensitivity, the TATCHA Indigo Overnight Repair is a great option. However, if you're on the lookout for more budget-conscious alternatives that still address hydration and irritation, I'd suggest checking out products from other skincare brands that offer similar formulations at a lower cost. To sum up, the TATCHA Indigo Overnight Repair is a luxurious treat for the skin, offering impressive hydration and a calming effect, but it's a bit of a splurge for what it offers. If you're okay with the investment and are looking for a soothing nighttime routine, it's definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in trying this product, the link is available in the comments box below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, especially if you've already tried this one. Feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions. Until next time, stay beautiful with Beautyistic.